Your personal data is being sold right now. Not tomorrow, not next week. Right now. And the scary part? You never gave permission. Today, I'm going to expose how your information gets harvested, how it's silently monetized behind your back, and how you can protect your privacy and your money starting today. Every time you click I agree on a website, install a free app, connect to public Wi-Fi, or even browse a shopping site, you're entering into an invisible deal. One where companies get your name, location, browsing habits, purchase history, search queries, device details, and sometimes even your contacts. All of this data gets compiled into a digital profile, a profile more accurate than what your family knows about you. This profile becomes a product, and you're the product being sold. Let's break down the major sources of hidden data harvesting. Apps you installed years ago. Even if you don't use them, many apps continue collecting GPS location, microphone activation, Bluetooth signals, battery levels, unique device identifiers, and they sell it to partners, which really means advertisers and data brokers, websites and cookies. Tracking cookies follow you between websites, collecting everything you click, everything you read, and everything you search. Even when you switch apps, even when you think you're private, free services, email, VPNs, clouds, if something is free, your data is the real payment. These companies log email content, IP addresses, login times, shopping receipts, movement patterns, and your habits over time. Free VPNs are the worst offenders. They don't protect you, they track you. Your data isn't sold once, it's sold hundreds, even thousands of times. Here's the pipeline. Apps and websites collect your info too. They sell it to data brokers. Data brokers combine, plus enrich it 4. Advertisers buy it 5. Banks, insurance, and retail giants use it to profile you. Your data profile can predict your salary, your risk level, your emotional state, your spending habits, your future purchase decisions. Insurance companies can raise your fees, retailers can increase your prices, banks can reject your loan. Not because of who you are, but because of what your data suggests. Here's the part most people never hear. Danger 1. Targeted financial manipulation. Companies know exactly when you're stressed, broke, or vulnerable. They target ads at the perfect moment. Danger 2. Identity profiling. Your data is used to determine your value as a customer, how much they can charge you, how much you're willing to pay, how easily you can be manipulated. Danger 3. Hidden payment tracking. Your online purchases, subscriptions, and late-night browsing patterns form a behavioral fingerprint. Danger 4. Data leaks and hacks. Even if a company claims to protect your data, one leak can expose everything. Emails, passwords, addresses, even your financial history. You can't stop companies from trying to collect your data, but you can limit what they get. Here's how. 1. Delete old apps you don't use. If you haven't used it in 30 days, remove it. 2. Turn off unnecessary permissions. Disable location, microphone access, camera access, background data. 3. Stop using free VPNs. Choose a paid, reputable provider. 4. Use privacy browsers. Brave, DuckDuckGo, and Firefox block hidden trackers. 5. Clear cookies weekly. Don't let advertisers follow you across the internet. So, use a separate email for shopping. This reduces data linking. 7. Read permissions before installing apps. If a calculator wants your location, run. Your privacy isn't taken in one big moment. It's taken slowly. One click, one download, one permission at a time. Your data is powerful. Your data is valuable. And it's time to take control of it. If you want more videos on digital privacy, online safety, and protecting your money, Make sure you subscribe.